Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, February 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So, in the pound dollar monthly, I still think this is an uptrend, and I still think it's going to continue up throughout the coming months, most likely eventually take out these highs right here. I still think it's going to go up to one of these three Fibonacci extension levels, make a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C based on correlated pairs and zooming way out on the monthly time frame. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this is the end of a wave 2 right here, running flat wave 2. I think this is a 1 of 3. I still think this is a 2 of 3. I actually believe this is still eventually going to go up and finish off that wave 3, make a wave 4, and eventually make a wave 5 like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame, we were wondering if this was already the end of a correction because we definitely do see a what A, B, C, D, E like a five-wave corrective pattern. Now it never did take out the lower wave four, which it necessarily doesn't have to, but normally it does. So we definitely need to keep an eye on it. A lot of the other dollar pairs do look like they need to go up, so most likely this will go up also. So if it does start to go up, if it does start to make some more structure breaks, hopefully we can confirm that this is the end of an ABCDE of 2. This is the end of a wave 1 up here, and that this is going to continue up for a big wave 3. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move up right here. This is very, very clearly five waves to the upside right here, so I would call this either a wave A or a wave 1. This move down, I would say, is part of a correction, probably either a wave B or wave 2. I think it more likely needs to make three waves, something like this, like a three-wave pattern, an A, B, C, probably bounce off one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, and then it should go up, either making a wave C or making a wave 3. If it really is a wave 3, then it will just keep on going and breaking all these structures. If not, then it may just go up and retest one of these and then make a nice impulsive move to the downside if it is a wave C. So going down to that 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we got our Fibonacci retracement on here, like I said, either an A or a 1. And then I think this push down is very much looking like a trend, which makes me think that it might stretch out into a little bit of a bigger correction. So if you are trading the very short time frame, shorter than the 1 hour, you can probably continue to look for shorts until you get three waves down, until you get a Fibonacci bounce with a big engulfing move to the upside. Once you get that, then you should know that this is the end of a wave B or a wave 2, and that this is going up for either a wave C or a wave 3. So once you get into this third wave, if it goes up and rejects this structure, then you'll know it's a wave C. If it goes up and breaks structure and holds above structure, then you know it's a wave 3. So as usual, we'll just observe the market and hopefully we can learn and earn at the same time whether this is a wave C or whether this is a wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.